Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And what I'm going to talk about in this video may change your trading style and trading forever. So make sure you stay tuned till the end so you guys can hear. But before we get into that, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you guys haven't yet, I'd really appreciate it a ton. Alright guys, so getting into it. Today, I decided to make a video about my portfolio, but also about one other thing. So everyone, I can assume, has been in the middle of a rut, they call it. So you're in the middle of a pothole, you can't get out of it, you keep losing money, trade after trade after trade. I know I'm repeating that guy from YouTube. But what you really have to think about right now is step back from your situation and just look at your portfolio or your trading style, your mentality as a whole. So if I did this to myself, I'd step back and say, all right, DWT, I keep losing money over and over and over again because of one thing. I keep trying to find the bottom of it, where it's going to bounce back up. So now I identify the problem. That's what you have to do. You have to step back and identify what's causing you to make these bad trades or these unsuccessful trades. And what you do from there is basically you find that problem, and what you do is try to implement a solution. Think of a solution to it. Alright, so for me, this would be an example. For me, I keep trying to find the bottom. I keep thinking I found the support, and I haven't. So what I have to do now is adapt a trading style where I don't try to look for the support, and just what I have to do is I have to also see the support, but what I really have to wait for is for it to start trending in that direction that I want it to go. Like DWT, I want it to trend upwards. UWT, if I'm trading, I want it to start trending upwards when I want to buy, so that it actually goes in my direction. Not like I have previously done, where it has a little spike up like this, maybe from here to here, a few cents, and I call that it's hit the support. If it was actually on a support line though. So from here, I've looked at the patterns on DWT and crude oil and overall, and it looks like it's pretty overbought. But until it starts going down, crude oil, there's no point in me trading DWT or UWT, because it's at a pivot point right now where it could go either up or down. It's near the support, but it's still not touching it, so it still has space to bounce around. So all I have to do is wait. And all of that can be accomplished by just stepping back from your situation and looking at it. And now I've adapted to having patience. I just have to have patience and wait for the stock to actually go in my direction. I may have to wait 2 days, maybe even until next week, who knows. But until it starts going in my direction, I'm not going to trade it. This is what you have to do with your trades. If you're stuck in a pothole and you can't just get out of it, you keep making bad trades. You just have to step back from your situation and look at it overall. As you can see, overall, I have been in this pothole. I can't get some good green trades in. So overall, I've been just taking positions and cutting losses, because I can't find a successful trade. It's better than just taking a stock up and then just holding it while it's going down, but still, it's losing money by just cutting losses. But what I'm going to do from here, and what you should do, whatever your solution should be, you have to identify the problem, like I said. Let's go over this again. Identify the problem, and then be creative. Think of a solution for this. Alright, so for me, I said, I'm going to wait for it to start trending in my direction before I actually take a position. So that's what I'm going to incorporate from now on. And that has to be stuck in your head or written down somewhere next to you where you trade, so that you have that in your mind or on a sheet of paper when you're about to take a trade. You have to have that need fulfilled, that little requirement. Did it hit the support and starting trend in my direction, in the favor of my direction? If it's not, rethink your situation and find another stock to trade, or don't trade at all. But if it is going in your direction, go for it. Make that trade, and you'll see large profits coming in. And it's all about trial and error. And the thing that separates successful traders from unsuccessful ones is those who are successful learn from their mistakes. And this is what I'm trying to teach you guys here, and I'm trying to teach myself as well. I have to learn from every mistake I make, so I can make me a better trader overall in the long run. At first, there will be bad days, there will be good days, but the most important thing is that you learn and stay positive. You can't be down and you can't just quit, because if you quit, you take all that knowledge that you have and just shove it into a garbage can. Do you want that? Probably not. So basically, do what I ask. If you're ever stuck in the middle of just losing money, trade after trade, like that commercial says, and trust me, if you use what I'm telling you right now, you will see that you'll quickly get out of that. You'll make maybe 1 or 2 bad trades, and then you'll find your way back up and running and making big profits. So that's just all I wanted to talk about. And then just going over the recap of the video of today's day. I'm sorry, that was a little bit longer than I expected, but still, just a quick talk I want to tell you guys. So today, all I did, I had my position in DWT. Didn't go in my direction. It broke the pattern that I thought I was going in. Broke where I thought it was a support. And right at DWT, I sold it at around 750, 748. I sold it. Bam, done and gone. Made a bit of a loss on there. But it's worth it because I sold it and it would have gone down like another 3.5%. So I did save myself some money, which is important because you don't want to stay on a trend, on a stock that keeps trending down and down and down. So what I'm looking to do right now is I'm stepping back and I'm looking at crude oil right now. I see that it's near the support that I assume there is. It's the last point of support unless it breaks it. And if UWT or just crude oil in general doesn't bounce down from it, here, I'll get onto it really quick. So just looking at crude oil in general on the charts, it's right at I presume this is the resistance right here. This is my analysis. Either it could be right here or it could be right around here, touching the tips of these 3 points right here, like this. It could either be higher or lower right where it is. All you have to do is wait. Right now, with my old mentality, I would have bought it right now because it's right at the resistance, right? I want to buy and make some profits overnight. But now, thinking back on it, that's not the right thing to do. What I have to do is wait for it to start trending in my direction. It could gap down a bit overnight, but at least I'll have the confirmation of it actually trending in that direction. So what I'm going to do today is just wait it out. If it does break it and go above, then it's probably the other resistance that I drew just a second ago. I have to just to be patient. And if I bought some DWT right now and tomorrow crude oil gaps up, then that sucks for me because I didn't listen to my new lessons and my new thoughts and my new things I've learned. So basically, that's just what I'm trying to convey through this video today, is you guys have to learn how to learn from your mistakes. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. You have to learn how to learn from your mistakes. And I just wanted to quickly help you out and provide an example for you. And I hope this video will be very useful to you guys in the future or right now. If you're right now stuck in a bad trade syndrome, I call it bad trade syndrome, where you keep making bad trades, or in the future, if you do get into this pothole, then you'll find a way to get out, and hopefully, using my strategy, you guys will be able to get out of there in no time. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic week, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.